Hey everybody, Chris the Bad Elf here, and I'm here to help walk you through the step-by-step guide to mapping inside of Apglos Survey Wizard. And we're going to start with preparing our Android device and configuring our Apglos settings. Let's get started. Step number 1, preparing your Android device. First, we're going to want to ensure that our Bad Elf Flex is charged and turned on. You're also going to want to make sure that your Android device has Bluetooth enabled and is connected to the internet. Lastly, ensure that Apglos Survey Wizard and the Bad Elf Flex app have all permissions enabled within your device's app settings. On to step 2, configuring your project settings. Now you can open Apglos Survey Wizard on your Android device. Navigate to Other Settings by clicking the File icon on the black ribbon and then clicking the last option. You're going to want to make sure you're in the correct coordinate system. So here in our main settings, let's go ahead and change this to State Plane Zone, Texas South Central. We're using survey feet. There are a lot of graphics out there and different resources that can help you determine your state plane zone. But if you have questions about the right coordinate system that you should be using, consult the Get team at Bad Elf. Lastly, enable the Expert settings on the top right to tune your accepted accuracy to the spec for your project. The example below is set to 5 US survey feet of GPS accuracy. You can also set this to fixed type,